Welcome, this is Amanda, the Nerdy Crafter, and we have made it to day 18 of our Craft Buddy Crystal Art Advent Calendar. I had to actually turn it sideways because this last week, it's either that or upside down to fit it into my work area here. So we're going upside down, or sideways, I should say. And let's see what we have for day 18. Oh, that is gorgeous. I love this. I'm excited to see if that is silver or white. So let me show you what we've been doing so far. This is all 18 or 17 days thus far of our advent calendar. Each of these is a magnet, so you can place it on any magnetic surface, your fridge, this metal Christmas tree that was provided, whatever your heart desires. And then last weekend, I picked up this amazing little 3D printed set from a friend of mine. I purchased the files, and then he printed it for me. I don't own a 3D printer, and OMG, loving it tons. It is making this project go even faster. I wish I had it from day one. Ooh, very nice. These do look like they're gray, so I just have to remember not to add them into the white section. And so how I'm doing this is each day I'm placing in a different little compartment here. This is the first test, so I do have the ability to take this out, but I'm going to glue this one down so going forward it won't slip out on me. This is the prototype, so we're playing with some different things for it. Okay, so it looks like we've got a couple different shades of gray here. Very nice. And that is one of the things I've enjoyed about this set is I am a watercolorist, so I love layering colors and seeing highlights and shadows. And I love how they do that. There's a number of times where I'll get 2 or 3 different colors of the same, or shades of the same color. And so, oops, I had one left over in here from one of my reds, so I do need to pop that out so I don't accidentally place that down. Because it gives it dimension, it gives it some texture. It's really, really cool. So last but not least here is number 4. And then we will get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just fast forward through this next part as I'm placing down all of the different gems or crystals, whatever way you want to say it. I was asked a question actually the other day by a friend who's been watching some of my videos, so thank you all so much for following along. And they asked, how do I glue the crystals down? So there's a clear plastic over here, and there is glue underneath here. So this is tacky. So it's already tacky for me. So all I have to do is press the gems into it, and it will hold it. And then I do have a sealant that I'll put on after the fact. So that's kind of how you get them to stick. So I'm going to turn on my electric pen here that I use. And I'm just going to fast forward through this next part so you can watch me attach all these beautiful gems and see the finished project. I'll see you back in a little bit. Okay, we have now finished day 18 of our Craft Buddy Crystal Art Advent Calendar. Let's go ahead and place that on our Christmas tree. So pretty. Oh, these just glow, glow, glow. All the shimmer on them. I'm so excited. Well, thank you again so much for joining me. I'm going to add my leftover crystals to my little storage box here that I've been adding on to some of my art impressions. cards. Here's a quick example. I have one sitting on my desk. So you can see I've been adding these crystals on. So much fun. So thank you for coming back. Thank you for joining me. There is a playlist on YouTube with all of my Craft Buddy advents. So if you want to follow along, you can see all of those. I'm so excited, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Take care and have a great day.